DEWALT 12-volt green crossline laser is designed to take on the tough jobs as it has a 12-volt lithium-ion rechargeable power tool battery. It comes packed with IP65 technology, which helps it to be resistant to debris and water. What makes it so special? It has a 360-degree line laser to help a full room layout. The full-time pulse mode is also available, which enables use with detector and maintains maximum brightness to extend the range and visibility. This product also has a locking pendulum, which helps avoid damage to internal parts and components. It also has many mounting options: a magnet on the back which lets it attach to metal, a bracket that can be screwed to wall and also on a tripod, and this is also so wonderful for the users. To sum it up, DEWALT offers a reliable and heavy-duty product, which can carry out almost any task effectively. It has 3 beams which help in a 360-degree leveling and adds value to it. This product has 3 years limited warranty and can be returned within 90 days.